Hi guys, welcome to Off the 10th Beer Reviews. I got home today and I saw this at my door, which kind of scared me because I live in an apartment building and it was at my door of my apartment. Somebody could have swiped it, but they didn't because they know not to fuck with Dan Crocker or the Western Canadian beer reviewer guy. That guy. Anyway, I got a package from him, from Dan. Good old Dan. Thank you very much, Dan. Before I forget to thank you, I appreciate this. This is awesome. I need to reciprocate, and I will. You know I will. It's a package straight out of Canada Post with a hole in the side of it. This is how I found it. So we're gonna find out what's going on with this. We're gonna unbox it. I did lift this up because it's a pain in the ass to open. So this is open, but I haven't even looked inside yet. So let's do this. What do we got in this package? Oh, by the way, I'm drinking a beer from Counterpart Brewing because I stopped there on my way home. This is Fusion. It's an IPA with tropical fusion. I don't even know what the fuck that means, but it's right here and it fucking tastes really good. Really green, like hot burny green, but more of a fucking that onion garlic smell is on there, and that little bit of a tobacco taste is coming through because it's so fresh and it's fucking delicious. Okay, so what's in here? Oh, first of all, Dan did tell me that there's some kind of scarf thing in here, so let's see what. It's not a scarf or a blanket. Hold on a second. What's going on? Okay, here are the beers. Let me get this fucking thing out here. I'm gonna put this down for a second and see what Dan. Jameson Irish whiskey. That's awesome. You know what I'm going to do with that? I am going to put that somewhere in a fucking closet because whatever. I got nowhere else to put it. I'm like, you know what? For now, you know what I'm going to do? All right, here we go. Let's move it. Put this right here. Oh, move over. Yeah, there we go. Put it right there. Thanks, Dan. All right, Jameson whiskey. You know what? That could be a nice little throw blanket. Sure, why not? Okay, let's get in the beers. We have a couple packages in here. That's awesome. All right, so let's open up this one here and see what we're dealing with. Fuck, he packages them up just like I do in the bubble wrap with a shit ton of tape. It's awesome. All right, so from Establishment Brewing, we're looking at Space Lord. This is where Dan gets me because I know he had a bunch of these beers and he must have thought of me because Space Lord is a extra strong beer. Of course it is. It's a quadruple IPA, quadruple hazy, 11.9% alcohol by volume. It's got one of these. There's probably more than one. I'm hoping. We're gonna find out. Maybe not. Maybe there's only one, but we're gonna find out. There's another Establishment beer right here. So this one is we are floating in space. A white cami. It's a double. Oh, this is a triple. Oh, and it's wet. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I hope nothing broke. That's weird. It's got a little condensation. Maybe it's just sweating. I don't know. It could be. Doesn't feel like it's punctured or anything like that. This one's not open. It's dry. That's weird. So another extra strong beer. This one's coming at, it's a triple, 10.5, I believe. Fuck, where's my glasses? Yeah, 10.5%, I think. Fucking writing on this is so fucking tiny. That's awesome. From Establishment again. I love it. I love these beers. They're such a great brewery. I'm pretty sure Dan might argue with me or not, but that Establishment Brewing out of Calgary is probably like the counterpart of the Niagara region. It's probably the best brewery out there. He's killing me. He gave me the Black Fly Mojito rum, the rum mojito, the mojito rum, the rum mojito as opposed to the tequila mojito, which is tequila mojito? No, mojito's a rum. Yeah. Oh fuck, I used to be a bartender. Yeah, so I got to do that now. Why do these feel wet? I don't know what's going on here. I hope everything's okay. Let's go to the other beers. All right, next package. That's 3 so far. Oh, we got another Establishment beer. And, oh, this one's different too. Did you give me a whole fucking bunch of different fucking beers today? You didn't repeat anything? That's fucking awesome. Exploding Rainbows, an Imperial Hazy. So this is a double, 8.2%. Awesome. I'm gonna put that. Oh, I'll put it over here. Camera's not out far enough to show everything, but whatever. And the last one in the package. What do we got? Oh, what is this? This is different. This is different. What did Dan empty his fridge to give me? Low Places Brew Company. Son of a bee. There you go. This would be honey blonde. Nice, excellent. I'm actually excited for that. At 5.5%. Anyway, so we got these beers that are right here, and I'm excited. Thank you very much, Dan. I will review these and maybe do a possible, we can do a dual review maybe online live or something, or maybe on your channel. Let me know. But anyway, I appreciate you, Dan. Thank you very much for sending these beers my way. And everyone, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out, homies. Bye-bye.